The Chalcedon Foundation presents The Institutes of Biblical Law, Volume 1. Written by R.J. Rushdoony. Narrated by Nathan F. Conkey. Author's Preface to the 1973 edition. The chapters of this study were delivered over a period of 3 years before a large number of groups: students, civil officials, businessmen, housewives, and a great variety of persons. All of this study was also delivered at a single place during the course of the 3 years, with discussion and comment at the Chapel of the Palms, Westwood, Los Angeles. James and Clarence Pierce have made their facility available for a continuing Chalcedon study group, and their cooperation is gratefully acknowledged. Various persons have contributed generously to the Chalcedon publication funds and have made this study possible. Frederick Breland, Keith Harnish, Mrs. S. W. North Jr., my associate Gary North, and many others. The faithful work of the Chalcedon Guild is undergirding the publication of this and other Chalcedon studies. The indexing is the work of Bernard Ladouceur. The typing and proofreading have been done by my beloved wife, Dorothy, whose thinking and questioning have greatly furthered this study. Many of the ideas developed in this study were discussed at times with Burton S. Bloomert, who in more ways than one has been a source of encouragement. David L. Thoburn supplied me with several books which were helpful. Many other friends have, by their encouragement and help, made my work possible, and to one and all, I am deeply grateful. Rus's John Rushdoony.